Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to continue our series with the little house in Mansfield. I know, it seems like we've been doing this forever and ever, and yeah, it does seem like that. We're almost 6 months into this project, and hopefully today we're going to see a lot more progress down there. I really don't know what we're going to find. You know, last time we visited, we had paint on the walls, they had painted the exterior, making some pretty good progress. So this week, my contractor, Aaron, he's pinged me a couple of times, just checking in to make sure I'm coming down to see what's going on at the project house this week. So yes, I'm gonna go down there and check it out. I'm really not sure what I'm going to find. I'm not sure why the contractor is so anxious to see me this week. Maybe he needs more money. Not a problem, I got some more money for him. I'm gonna give him a check today. But I hope he hasn't run into any additional issues. You know, we always get to a certain point in the project where you start hitting overruns and extra time and all this kind of stuff. And so I guess let's go over there and check it out and see what's happening. I'm Tony. This is Run the Comps. Here we go. All right, here we are today at the little house in Mansfield. Man, check this out, right back here. We're putting a new pergola up over the front door with a nice little entry porch there. So we've got some gutters up. See the gutters? Put some gutters on the front of this house so that we can get some good runoff when it rains and it doesn't splash up down here at the bottom. Like we've got some splash stains we need to power wash. So yeah, Aaron, you guys have been doing a kick-ass job, and it's really coming together a lot better than I thought, and I'm really glad that there really isn't any really bad news today. So that's a good thing. No, I said earlier, I'm not sure if there's something bad you need to tell me or if you just want money. And I said I got the money part covered. I'm not prepared for bad news, so that's a good thing.
Nothing too bad today.
All right, good. All right, well, I'm going to take a walk around and go inside because I think there's some more good stuff that we probably want to see inside. Let's go check it out. Okay, so do you remember at one point in time when we were doing the foundation work, we had a little concrete stoop out in front of this house, but when we raised it up, it kind of made the front porch unlevel with the doorway here, the threshold to the doorway. And so we got a big rain, and the rain started going down underneath the front door, which is not a good thing. So we decided, well, let's just go ahead and build a front porch out over the concrete stoop. Still had to tear up some of that concrete stoop in order to make it happen. So there's some of the scraps you see, and yeah, I think this is going to give the front of the house a lot of character here. So another thing that we got done this week is some new gutters here. We got gutters all along the front of the house and along the back side of the house. So, you know, we got a lot of good stuff going on here. Got the new front door installed. Still got to trim that out, but they're working on this front porch here. It's going to look really good when we get done. Now, one of the pieces of bad news that I got recently was, now, while I didn't get this bad news specifically today, I did get some bad news recently that this air conditioning system that we have in the house is pretty well fried. I mean, it's outdated, still using that old R22 refrigerant. And so we're going to replace this unit right here, as well as the system on the inside of the house, the forced air unit. So it's going to have a completely new HVAC system when we get done. Okay, so the one thing I am super excited about today is there's new flooring in this house. So you guys got to come see this. They had to put so many bags of self-leveling material in here. I think 30 something bags of self-leveling material. But we got those floors all nice and leveled out. You remember we put new subfloors in, and then the house was still a little bit feeling a little bit wonky there, but we got some new self-leveling installed in here and then put the new LVP floors in. Come on in, let's check it out. All right, so here's a good close-up of how we put that new deck in right up against the front door threshold, which is the proper way to do it. So now we won't get water running in the house. But here, look at this. We've got all new flooring in here. Isn't that awesome? Oh yeah, look at that barn door over there. We're really starting to get some stuff going, and it's looking really, really good these days. The barn door goes over the laundry area. We've talked a lot about the laundry area, and this is turning out to be a pretty good little utility closet. We've got the water heater in here. We're going to be able to put some stackable washers and dryers in here. And then there's also a little bit of storage space. Okay, so we still haven't gotten to the point of installing any kitchen cabinets, but that's coming soon. So next time we're here, we might actually see some kitchen cabinets. Right now, the guys are working on straightening up some of these doors and door frames. You remember when we lifted the house and leveled it out? A lot of these doors ended up being out of whack. And so now we're getting all that stuff put back together. Things are looking really good. This room here is the biggest room in the house. It's turning out really nice. We did make a decision to switch out that cover plate. I'm not sure where that old one went. It's probably in the trash by now, but we got that taken care of. Middle bedroom here. Again, not a lot to do left in here. We fixed the ceiling, and we put some closet doors on here. You know, like I said, the guys are working now with a lot of the doors, door trim, baseboards. You can see they're working on baseboards and stuff. So really starting to get things going. Now, another thing that we're really excited about today. Tell me a little bit about this, Aaron. I mean, this bathroom is a small space.
Very small.
We're going to get a toilet in over there. Yes, we will. The shower.
Shower pan is in. We'll put the fiberglass walls in. Got a 24-inch vanity, which doesn't need a lot of space in, but
Still get the full 3-bedroom and 2-bath, right?
Right.
See, you raised up that shower head way up there. So you can get a tall person. Well, you're probably going to need a tall, skinny person to use this bathroom.
Yes.
That's looking good. Let's see what's going on. I hear a nail gun. Oh, yeah. Rock is busy installing those baseboards. He's got all his equipment. Oh, look, a new porch on this back door as well, the side door. So really cool. And then here's the other bathroom. We're kind of at the same spot with this one. Got the new vanity in here. We're going to get a toilet over here in the corner. And then it's the same deal on this shower, right? It's a 36-inch.
36-inch fan.
Uh-huh.
And then little fiberglass walls.
Yep. And so that comes as a kit, right? We decided to go with the kit. Why?
It's a solid piece. It wouldn't fit through the doors to get in here. We'd have to cut it anyway, and then just damage it. So, bought the kit. Makes it a lot easier.
All right, let's talk a little bit more about this air conditioning unit that's going to have to be replaced. Here's our forced air unit. It's in this little closet. We've talked about this one before. It's got the little sump pump down here, or I don't know if it's a sump pump, but it's a pump of some sort to pump out the condensation. But we're going to have to get this whole thing removed and install a new unit, because what's going on here with this one? It was the evaporator coil, right?
It's shot.
It's shot. You sent me some pictures earlier. I'll see if I can find those, and we'll post them up right here and show you folks. Here it is. The pictures of the evaporator coil. This thing is just dirty, nasty. Gonna have to be replaced, and we'll get that done. All right. I'm really excited about this barn door. Aaron, tell me what's...
Just have a few options.
Oh, yeah, we could dress it up a little.
We can dress it up.
I like that, yeah.
We can dress it up. Then there's also a handle we can add. We'll put the handle on either way.
Okay.
I didn't know if you wanted this on, so we just kind of left the basic.
Yeah, let's dress it up a little.
Okay.
Let's do that.
Okay.
And so you guys... Tell me what happened. You told me a little story earlier. I want to hear some more about what.
I guess before the roof was done.
Yeah.
I guess you had some type of leak. So all of this, we just put a 2x8 in here.
Yeah.
And ran it all the way across, because where all these went, there was no meat to the 2x4s.
Okay.
It was just falling out.
Okay.
So we opened up the drywall, just ran a whole new 2x8 in there. That way, no matter where we hit,
You gotta hit something solid.
Yeah.
And that door will hang there. So now we're gonna do a little bit of trim out here on the actual doorway. Is that right? We'll do a little.
Yeah, we're gonna, to hide some of the imperfections, we'll trim this out. Especially down here, we can fur it out a little bit. Where it'll look square. And also we'll do the same with this door here. Leading into the hallway in the bedrooms.
Yeah, yeah.
Just kind of hide the imperfection. You can see where it is not square. And that'll help hide all of that.
So everything's going to get squared up. The floors have been leveled up. I mean, look at those floors. They're beautiful. It's really solid in here now.
Did you talk about the self-leveling?
I did talk about the self-leveling. You got some additional comments on that? I mean, there's a lot of self-leveling going on in here, right?
Total for the entire house is 35 bags. For this back bedroom was 11 alone.
Holy moly, that's a lot.
So,
well, it sure made a world of difference and makes these floors really solid when you come in and stand on them. And I mean, there's no, this feels like a good solid floor here. Well, I gotta say that I'm very encouraged and excited about what I saw at the little house in Mansfield this week. Got that front porch going on, got the floors installed, the bathrooms are coming along nicely. We've got new exterior doors, so much happening down here. Come back and join us next time. I'm Tony. This is Run the Comps. See you then.